Okay, today I received a new RC car that is called XINLEHONG 9130, and I was really excited to get this one because it seemed like a very good value for the money. I got it for about 65 Canadian dollars with a $3 shipping, so it was about $68, and it came quite quickly. I got it from Aliexpress, and it is I'm really excited about it because it's compared to other things that I've been watching online, and I really wanted to get a monster truck that was small but also quite capable, I was looking for a good value for the money. So yeah, this is the box. It came in a regular white wrapping, and then I took that out. I opened it already just to have a look at it, just to see if it was broken or anything like that. And it's 1/16 scale. This is the top view. This is the bottom view. This is the side. And the version I got is a blue one, and it's a monster truck. And it says that you get a 48 electronic speed control, so up to 48 amps, rubber tires. I don't know the size of the motor. It looks like a 370, and full vehicle transmission bearings. Actually, this is actually quite good English, to be honest with you. And as I said, I think this is a win, a big win for me. So the remote control is supposed to have steer and throttle trim. In my ideal world, I wanted to have a dual rate steering, but oh well. And so it's up to 36 kilometers an hour, 60-meter range. Runtime is about 16 minutes because the battery is 700 milliamp hour, I believe, and it's ready to run. And it says clearly here, this is a funny thing, this is not a toy, it's authentic hobby grade. So I believe this is quite accurate. It's just some quick up and running instructions, and let's open it. So right out of the box, you see there's a remote control. Actually, the steering trim is really soft and feels quite good. It takes 3 AA batteries, as described before. Steering trim and throttle trim, on and off button, rubberized wheel. It's basic, but there's nothing absolutely wrong with it. The more important stuff is always, of course, is the truck itself. The other thing that's in this box is the balance charger. So it's 2-cell battery, and it looks like it's a input is 5 volts 2 amps, and output is 7.4 volt 1000 milliamps. So okay, onto the truck itself. Okay, so that's the box. We don't need this anymore, and I already have a charger, so I'm not gonna need this one either. There's a hobby grade charger that I got from Kijiji. Okay, and this is the truck. It's quite small, but I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. I saw one review so far in English. There are some other reviews, but in different languages. So will be probably the second review on YouTube in English of this particular truck, and I think it was by a reviewer called RC Tigger. So this is the truck. It's quite soft bumpers, which probably is a good thing. Rubberized tires, and compared to my hand, that's how big that is. It's quite wide, and I think that's going to help. Proportional steering, obviously. This is going to help with the with not toppling over. So this is the bottom, Lexan body, so quite soft body. There's a protective film on it, which I will not remove because I want to keep it as in a pristine condition as possible for as long as possible. Okay, so the clips, just removing the clips. Just take the body off. Okay, the battery is already installed in there, so we can probably, what we can do is we can connect it and start running, or maybe I'll just do a quick battery review. No, I was wrong. It's a 7.4 volt, but 500 milliamp hour. I don't know if I can fit a bigger battery, but that's what the battery looks like. It looks like a AA sized lithium ion battery for sure. And it's a 14 tooth motor, as you can see, 390 size, so it's a little bigger than the 370 size. So this should be a lot of fun. And this is that's the 2-in-1 40 amp 2.4 gigahertz receiver and transmitter in one. Receiver and speed controller in one. And it looks like there's a little room for. There's one little connector for your lights if you want to install lights in the future, because it has an opportunity for you to install lights, which is probably what I will end up doing. The steering servo seems it's one of those standard steering servos, so it's quite small, but I think if it breaks, we can get it online. And not oil-filled shocks. To be honest with you, I think the less maintenance a car is, the better. So I don't mind that it's a non-oil filled, because I don't abuse my cars, and I usually drive them either indoors or on a very clear day, not in snow or rain. It's plasticky, yes, but I think that's expected with the price range. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's run it.